In this short clip, I will show how to buy shares of Intelligent Protection Management Corp, a company that provides protective hardware and technology listed on NASDAQ under the ticker IPM. This walkthrough is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will have to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker IPM to find Intelligent Protection Management Corp. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to locate the correct share. On the stock page, check the basic company information and view the price chart to confirm you have the right asset. Verify the company name and ticker match before proceeding. Tap the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to purchase, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order will execute when it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order executes. For convenience, the example eToro link is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.